Hey, what's up guys? It's Jono here and welcome to my Fortune review. Now I'm here inside the members area of Fortune, as you can see, and during this video I'm going to give you a full run through of exactly what is inside of here. Now in a nutshell, Fortune is a training course that's going to show you how to make money using affiliate marketing and specifically ClickBank products, but it also has a bunch of done for you products inside of here as well that you can use. And it will take you through the whole process of doing an affiliate promotion, from traffic to building your opt-in page, creating your lead magnet, and then building up your email list, and then structuring your emails and selling different digital products. So there's a ton of great information inside of this program, and I'm going to be walking you through it inside of this review, so stay tuned. Inside the members area of Fortune, which I'll show you in a minute, it's showing you how to create a lead magnet using AI. And I've been through this video. The lead magnet that they create isn't really that good, right? So I'm giving you a good lead magnet to use, okay? And it's going to work great. Right, let's move on and have a look at the sales page right now. So this is a little tip, okay? Fortune is usually going to be $17, right? But what you need to do once you land on this sales page, and you can do that by first of all clicking on the link down below, this pop-up is going to come up and it will give you a $3 discount instantly. So I'm probably not really supposed to tell you about this, but I am anyway, because I want to save you some money. And remember, even if you get it at this discount of just 14 bucks, you'll still get all my bonuses as well, which is pretty cool. So it says on here, exposed $500 million ClickBank AI loophole, pays us $25 to $50 over and over every time we copy and paste one link. Okay, it's a bit of a hypey headline, but yeah, it does kind of make sense if you think about it, because this is all about making money from ClickBank, and these guys have a lot of experience when it comes to making money from ClickBank. The other good thing about ClickBank is, unlike Warrior Plus and JVZoo, with ClickBank, you don't need to be pre-approved to promote any products. You just grab your affiliate link and you can start promoting straight away, which means this is really good for newbies, right? So anyway, you can probably come through and read the rest of this sales page in your own time. There's a lot of proof on here. There's a good sales video on here as well, which you might want to go and watch. I'm just going to jump into the members area now and show you exactly what is inside this training and why I think you should definitely pick this up. So you've got a couple of modules here on the left hand side, right? The first one is to join the bonus live training session. The second one is also to join Glenn's coaching, okay, which you can do there, but all of the actual training is inside of step number 3, right? So you've got some mindset stuff in this first video here, and then you've got the system overview down here, which is basically going to talk about how it actually works. They're going to give you a breakdown, and I don't know if you can see in the video here. Okay, I've just blown it up a little bit. But he's going to walk you through how affiliate marketing works, which is basically you're going to get traffic, and they show you how to get traffic. You're going to send this to a squeeze page or an email opt-in page. So I think this is a great course because it goes into detail on the real foundations of affiliate marketing, which I love. I've made millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing, and it all comes down to this simple email marketing system, really. So if you are interested and wanting to take affiliate marketing seriously, that is why I'm recommending that you pick this up, okay? I'm going to talk about the prices now and the upsells. So the front end is going to be $17, but I just showed you that little hack on the sales page, which will allow you to get it for $14, so you can save yourself some money. Just to reiterate, all you need to do is just slide your mouse off the page, this pop-up will come up and you can grab it for $14, so you can save yourself some money. Upsell number 1 is unlimited. I don't know what this is. I don't have any other information, but I do know that it's going to be $67. But if you scroll to the bottom of the page, there's going to be something that says no thanks. If you click on that no thanks button, then they'll give you the same product, the unlimited version OTO1, for $37. So you can save yourself $30, right? And it's the same for OTO2, which is the done for you, right? This is usually going to be $97, but if you click on the no thanks link, you'll be able to pick it up for just $47. So you can save yourself $50, right? Again, I'm not really supposed to tell you this stuff, but I do want to save you some money, so hopefully it's helpful. OTO 3 or upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic. This is where you can put your Google pixels on their sales pages and capture all of the leads that hit their sales page. So, and I do hope that you pick this up, because I do believe this is a really good course. And that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching my Fortune review, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Take care. Bye.